Ramogi mana kaka ne wasingo en Jokanyo sekta mar somo romo kod komiti mar od bura mar somo ewi chenro manyien mar siro jopuonjre e kuonde tiegruok mamalo ma pacho ka wan dwani mondo wadhi achiel kachiel mondo wawinjane kaka twak ma kamano dhi nyime.
Therefore, that would be taken up into tax and into withholding tax, and this company would see itself in a perpetual refund position, and its cash flows would also suffer. The other recommendation or proposal that we have, the bill is proposing to subject transfer of title of immovable property of a family trust to tax in Kenya, and our proposal is that this specific clause be deleted and be dropped. And our rationale for this is that when property is transferred to a family trust, the beneficial ownership does not essentially change. It remains within the family. As a result, applying tax on this transfer of the title of immovable property would result to double taxation in essence. Then, as I conclude, the next proposal that the bill is proposing to introduce Section 4C to the Income Tax Act, which will stipulate that income received by a person from a public entity, then by a person from a public entity would be deemed to be the income in the year that that person then receives the payment. Our proposal for this is to include the words services such that the clause then covers the supply of goods and services so that it's not discriminatory to the supplier of services to the same public entities. Our other proposal, or final proposal, under page 18 of our presentation, is on the proposal to introduce withholding tax on goods supplied to public entities, and the proposed rate is 3% for resident suppliers and 5% for non-resident supplier. Our ask is that this honorable committee considers reducing this rate to a lower rate because when you look at small companies, startups, SMEs, their gross profit will essentially be the 5% or the 3% that we then want to withhold. Reducing this rate will serve the commissioners or the KRA's aim to increase compliance by giving them data on what people have of the incomes that people have without the entire gross margin of a small company going into the taxman at that point. Thank you. I would like to invite questions.
Thank you very much for your presentation.